Welcome to SQL for JSON in Couchbase, an original and unique high quality course about how to query semi structured data in a popular NoSQL document store. My name is Cristian Scutaru, and I'm an experienced solution architect and instructor with a strong technical background in many areas in software development, big data, and data science. NoSQL data stores was my passion a few years ago, and I passed many certification exams in Neo4j, Redis, Cassandra, and of course, Couchbase. I'm still a certified developer in Couchbase, and I would like to teach you here in the easiest way possible how to use an exciting extension of SQL to query JSON data in Couchbase in all possible ways. Do it for yourself, do it for your career, do it for fun, or to simply extend your knowledge to learn something new, something related to your existing background in relational databases and SQL. Why Couchbase? Because it is the only popular JSON data store I know that can be queried not through procedural JavaScript like MongoDB or CouchDB, but through declarative and rich SQL. This is a totally hands-on course. I'll use a free Visual Studio Code with a Couchbase extension that allows us to run SQL code in Jupyter Notebooks. I'll also help you create in just a few minutes a free trial account to the cloud version of Couchbase Server called Couchbase Capella. You can use this account for free for almost 2 months. And you can install locally the community edition and use it forever without paying a dime. I designed this course for anyone with some experience in relational databases and SQL who wants to know what NoSQL and in particular JSON document stores are all about, to apply their SQL skills in querying semi-structured data that is no longer stored in a tabular but hierarchical manner. This course will be yours for life. It comes with a 1 month money back guarantee, and I will personally answer your questions in 1 day max. Enroll today and learn how to query any kind of JSON data in Couchbase through SQL.